All right, guys, doing some more mobile mechanic work. Just had a customer leave with a Subaru, and this vehicle had a consistent misfire, cylinder number 3 misfire. Changed the plugs, changed the wires, needed that anyway. Just gave it a good tune-up. We cleaned the mass airflow sensor, new air filter. This sucker needed an all-around tune-up and was running better. However, that pesky cylinder 3 misfire code kept coming back. So went ahead and pulled that number 3 plug again, and this is what we found. If you see that black line down the porcelain of your spark plug, that is what's referred to as carbon tracking. Carbon is tracking down the length of that plug, and what that means is, I went ahead and cleaned it off with some brake clean. That means there's actually a fine little crack in that porcelain. Hopefully you could see that area that I cleaned off the carbon. That's a crack in your porcelain. So this was a new plug. I don't know if it got dropped or what, but that was the issue. Threw a new plug in, misfire gone, good to go. Hope that helps you guys.